I will introduce you CG Pro how to do mileage repair. We do it BMW CAS3. Here you can check CAS3 BMW. Here. Okay. Let us connect our power first. Then our USB cable. Okay. We back to the software. You can see the time here. Don't worry if the time is there though. If you just make sure your PC is have connect the internet, it will update by itself. The license here. No worry about it. We choose dashboard, then BMW. Okay. First, we need to pour out the CAS. Okay. I just pour the board out. Let us check the PCB. The chip here. You can check is L15Y. The chip. It's not very clearly. Okay, we back to the software. Found the line L0 CAS3 015Y. The dial. Here you need the DB2425 adapter here. This one. Make sure you use the right adapter. Okay. Now we need to according to the diagram to wiring. Okay, now our wiring is okay. Back to the software. This place we read the CAS. This place, if your wiring is not good, the operation will failed. Here you can check the operation completed. Click OK. We save it in a place. Okay, you can check the kilometer here. Is 9000001. Okay, we change it. Just click the button here. Then it will show you this picture. We input 8888. Please input the mileage. Then click OK to start adjusting of meter. Click OK. It will do it by the software. You need not do other operations. Okay, operation completed. Click OK. Here, 8888. To check if the mileage changed successfully, we read it again. Then click OK. Save the file here. Okay. Then we open the two files. Then compare into the software. Here you can check. The file is all same. just this place changed, means this place is the marriage function location. If you know how to change your marriage in the original file, you will know what this means. Okay, we close it. Back to the software. Our change marriage is okay now. Then we try to write a function. This place. Hey, sorry. Consider it. We need to open a file first. This one. BMW CAS3 EEPROM. Open it. We open it first. You can check the kilometer here. Then we click write. Before writing, please make sure you have saved the original date. We have saved it here. So we click OK. You still need not do nothing. Just wait a second. Operation completed. Same operation, we read it again. Then we compare with the other software, with the other original files. Operation completed. Click OK. We save it. Click OK. Then we choose this file. The time here. This is the newest, and this one. We compare with the original file. Check if it has any change. Okay, here it is same, means our write operation is succeed. Close it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.